No pain, no gain. So is the case with IELTS too. But you know what? IELTS can be achieved if you learn it through fun activities and if you're well aware of the examination question patterns. Since all trainers are either certified or experienced, it is easy for us to stick to this. Our certifications include CELTA, Oxford TOEFL and such, which are demanded by British Council and IDP to be their trainers or examiners. And all these courses talks about the importance of teaching through activities. At MadGlober, we tailor our courses according to student needs. We provide multiple batches in a way that even the crash course doesn't lose its essence. It includes online, face-to-face and even night batches. So anyone who wishes to hit that target band of yours, our arms are wide open for you.